Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you a new core workout routine. So I'm mainly focusing on our core strength, and today the workout is core with weights. I'm going to use a 3 kg dumbbell, or you can use a yoga block to hold it on, or you can simply just holding a book, or you just use a body weight. Also, you can cooperate with these routines with your upper body workout or lower body workout, or just work it on its own. So today exercise will have 3 supersets for 40 seconds for each set, and we do 15-second rest in between of the superset. These 3 sets is about 15 minutes. So are you ready for the workout? So let's get started. Hi, so the first exercise is leg raise with weights. So I'm gonna lie down on the floor and brace your core. And brace your core means you in between lower hips and the floor, no gaps, no pocket in between, and it's attached to the floor. So don't ground it. And holding your dumbbells or holding a yoga block like that, raise up your foot. So we're gonna use a dumbbell today. Holding a dumbbell and raise up your leg and down. 2, 3. Okay, ready? Let's start. Last one. Okay, so the next exercise is bear crawl. So we bear crawl for 45 seconds. So we're performing the bear crawl is just going the other side. Okay, we start with 45 seconds. Let's get started. Okay, now we're doing one more, another set. Dragging, and we have the 15-second rest. So perform exercise, attach it on the floor, and dumbbell overhead, and raise up your leg, counting to yourself, and 1. Last one. Done. Okay, and we move on to our back crawl. So we have 15-second reset, and we do one more round and going to the other superset. As you said just now, you can use your yoga block for just holding, or you can use a book. So let's start one more round. Okay, 45 seconds of the back row. Okay, then we move on to our next exercise. Let's use a Russian twist. So we're gonna hold dumbbell, and we hold it in for the floor and 45-degree, and going twist, stop, twist, stop, twist, stop. Okay. Okay, and we move on to the next exercise. The next exercise is V up. So we're gonna do touch like that, but this time we're gonna use our weight. So holding the and top. 45 seconds. Done. Okay, and we do the second round. Yourself, 45-degree dropped, and holding a dumbbell, twist side by side, stop. Twist to left, stop. Twist, stop. Okay, and we move on to the V up. 45 seconds. Breathe, embrace your core.
Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all. No.
Okay, so we have 15-second reset. Can I have a water bottle? And we come back, have one more time. Sorry. Next round. One more set, and we're going to the other superset. Just one round. So, 45 seconds.
Will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, oh yeah. But will you let me down? Nobody's like us.
Stop. And move on to our V up 45 seconds.
Feel so much
And for the
you.
last superset.
That I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let
Okay, so the last superset is a wood drop. So one foot up and the other side holding the dumbbell. And we go. Okay, and we do left and right legs for this superset, for this last set. So let's get started. Turn. Really work on our side obliques. Okay, then we move on our left leg. So
always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
we have one more set. Okay, last one, done. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. So tomorrow we can have a rest one day and we'll have coming back the next day. So also, if you haven't subscribed my channels, please do it. I'll have more of this workout routine and exercise to coming up. So I'll see you next workout. Bye.